Zoe is going to take a movie of herself today. Here, you hold it. You hold it. Pretty good movie making. You should probably say something though. You cover the lens with your finger, we can't see you. That's a good angle. I'm going to take pictures of your toys too. Yeah. That's B. And Bug. You making a movie? It's a pretty good movie. You can see right up your nose. Here, take it with the other hand now. Now you can get the other side of your face. Very introspective. Are you going to yell cut ever? Are you going to yell cut? When are you going to yell cut? Okay, cut.